Welcome to Sparks of Eden, where love, learning, and lasting transformation unite in a sanctuary of deep connection.
Guided by Rabbi Natan Alexander and his wife Meg, couples of all ages are inspired and empowered to explore the depth and value of marriage in an authentic and unique experience.
Natan, an educator, marriage counselor, and leadership trainer with over 2 decades of experience.
Together with Meg, an inspirational wife, mother, and business owner, partner together, creating an unforgettable experience.
Sparks of Eden is more than a marriage retreat. It is a holistic journey where romance, education, and practical application come together.
Couples are encouraged to delve deeply into themselves and their marriage, discovering renewed energies and connection.
In a healing environment, we explore the sanctity and purpose of marriage, inspiring lasting change for you and future generations. You will be given the tools for creating emotional safety and physical attraction, exploring the true meaning of passion and intimacy in all stages of marriage.
Our teachings are rooted in biblical foundations, forging a path for vision, legacy, and harmony in your relationship.
At Sparks of Eden, we believe that love is a journey worth nurturing. Join us in igniting the sparks within your marriage.